Let's begin assembling the CI96 by installing the ram support. Turn the ram support sideways and lower it into the body. Make sure the flat part of the ram support is facing the rear. Turn the support until it slides into the grooves. With the hydraulic ram in one hand, remove the ram support nut. Slide the hydraulic ram into the ram support. Always make sure the quick connect is pointing up. Once the hydraulic ram is in place, reinstall the ram support nut. With a screwdriver, pop out the plug at the end of the hydraulic ram and set it aside. Place the pusher plate into the ram. Next, we are going to prepare the hydraulic hand pump. Let's start by using a wrench to loosen the plug. Once loosened, you can remove the plug. Take the hydraulic hose and screw into the ramp and tighten it with a wrench. Connect the hose quick connect to the ram. The hydraulic pump has a release valve that should be placed in the closed position when pressure is being applied. Slide one retaining rod into the front of the ram. Then, lower the bottom portion of the holding jaws into place. Place the upper portion of the holding jaws into place. Connect the crank assembly. Slide the retaining rods into the desired location. Lubricate the inside of the hose end and the shank of the coupling with Dixon's lubricant. Insert the end of the coupling shank into the hose and position the hydraulic ram assembly behind the fitting. Leave enough space on the hose for the fitting to correctly slide all the way into position. Thread the crank assembly down onto the jaws to secure the hose and the ram. Do not completely tighten down the crank assembly. Close the pump valve and pump the ram forward until the coupling is fully inserted. Open the valve on the pump to release the ram.